Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll discuss about the foods which are really important for your eyes. So before video started, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So very first food which is really important for your eye is orange colored vegetables and fruit with vitamin A. So best known eye healthy nutrient is vitamin A. Our retina needs plenty of vitamin A to help turn light rays into the images we see. Without enough vitamin A, eyes can't stay moist enough to prevent dry eye. Some good sources of vitamins A are carrot, sweet potatoes, apricot and cantaloupes, or you can say muskmelon. Another one is vitamin C. Vitamin C is critical to eye health as an antioxidant. Vitamin C helps protect the body from damage caused by some unhealthy eating, unhealthy habits and environmental factors. Fried foods, tobacco smoke and sun rays can produce free radicals molecules that can damage and kill cells. Vitamin C helps repair and grow new tissue cells. Good source of vitamin C included citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruit, lemon, peaches, red bell pepper, tomatoes and strawberries. Another very important and essential antioxidant is vitamin E, which helps keep cells healthy. Vitamin E can be found in the avocados, almond and sunflower seed. Another diet included cold water fish with omega-3 fatty acids. Diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids from cold water fish may help reduce the risk of developing eye disease later in the life. This fish included salmon, tuna, sardines, halibut and trout. Omega-3s are also good for the dry eye. Another we have leafy green veggies rich in lutein and zeaxanthin. Lutein and zeaxanthin are antioxidants found in the pigments of leafy greens, veggies and other brightly colored foods. They are key protecting the macula, which is responsible for the clearer vision. And the sources included spinach, kale, romaine lettuce, collard, turnip green, broccoli and peas. Last but not the least, we have beans and zinc. The mineral zinc helps keep the retina healthy and may protect eye from the light effect. For these sources are black-eyed peas, kidney beans, lena beans, oyster, lean red meat, poultry, fortified salads, etc. So these are some healthy foods which you can take and keep your eyes healthy. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment below the video.